Welcome to another episode on the canal boat. As you can see, we're all moored up right next to the railway line. It doesn't matter. Going down into the boats. This is tidy chaos. We're going down. This is the big bunk room. That's Jasper's jacket. This is Jasper, Adam and Rowan's room. Here's our chef. Spaghetti bolognese or spaghetti pasta, bolognese pasta already done. This is the boys team. Hello. Who reckons worked the hardest today? Anyone else votes? No.
I did.
Right, who stacked the boat? Who crashed the boat? Did you crash the boat?
I didn't crash
No?
the boat.
Did you crash the boat?
No, I didn't.
Luke crashed the boat. I didn't.
I didn't even steer the boat.
I nearly did.
Patiently waiting for food.
It was good.
And the girls' boat is where?
Lost, I think.
Yeah, no one knows. No one knows where their boat's gone. Right, I'm going to upload this right now.
Okay.